Now I want to go back to the collocates function. I'm going to put my search run back in. And I want to look at how the word run occurs as, let's say, a verb. So I'm going to add the POS tag verb, part of speech tag. So run and it's collocates. I want to see how run occurs as a verb in different registers or different types of writing. So if I click on sections here, I can get different registers. I can see that I can look at run as it occurs in academic writing, and I can look at run as it occurs in spoken. Here I think I'll organize in terms of mutual information. So I think I'll go with MI scores of 3 for each one. And then I can click Find Collocates, and I'll see which types of words collocate with run in the spoken section of COCA. Here we have the academic side, and then we see we have words like contrary, model, using. So maybe in these texts we're seeing things like run a model. Then if we look over here in the spoken side, spoken actually usually comes from news programs that are from TV. So here we'll see things like going, president, VE. So maybe here I'm going to say run for president. So we can see a different use of the word run in the spoken section versus how run is used in academic writing. I'm kind of curious about this VE here. So let's take a look at what's happening. I'll click on that, and we're seeing I've never run for office. I've officially run out of ways to apologize. So we can see that run is often used with the present participle have. That's interesting. One activity you can have your students do then is just have them look for any word such as run or some other word you may want them to look for. You can have them search for that word and its common collocates in 2 different registers, and then note the differences in how that word is used depending on the different register or the different type of writing or different type of speaking that word happens in.